Hello friends, welcome to Yadnya Investment Academy. Today we are going to talk about mutual fund report. Every month we prepare a mutual fund report for our mutual fund Yadnya subscribers. So we just thought we will make a short video on this report also. You will get to know what exactly we make, how we analyze this mutual fund industry on month basis. If you have seen the kind of AUM fall we have seen, the total AUM in the month of February, the total assets under management were 28.29 lakh crore rupees. Then in March, it went down to 24.70 lakh crore rupees. Then in April, 23.53 lakh crore rupees, and in May, we have seen a little upward revision towards the total assets under management to 24.28 lakh crore rupees. The major reason behind the fall, as you all know, is the COVID-19 problems. The lockdown has affected the economic activity to the highest level. The economic production, if we say, has came down to almost 30, 40 and 50% levels. So that has taken a big toll on the total assets under management. In March, the Sensex and Nifty crashed by nearly 30% from their peak. So that was the main reason why the assets under management failed in equity side. The debt side, because of the problem with the Franklin issue, winding up six schemes, total assets under management close to 25,000 crore rupees. So that also played a very negative role in assets under management going down. So overall, if we look at the exact allocation in assets under management, so in April, the debt category was around 12.17 lakh crore rupees. So little appreciation in debt assets under management to 12.86 lakh crore rupees in the month of May. If we look at the equity side of the assets under management, in April, the total assets under management in equity side were 6.87 lakh crore rupees. So there is actually a drop of 10,000 crore rupees to 6.77 lakh crore rupees. In hybrid category, April 2020, the total assets under management were 2.85 lakh crore rupees approximately, if we look at the number. And in the month of May, 2.9 lakh crore rupees were the assets under management into hybrid category, where the mix of equity, debt and other asset classes also are included. Now, solution-based funds, if we look at solution-based, means like retirement and children education and all those things. So there is a perfect solution to a perfect financial goal. So that's how they calculate it. So that particular AUM is stagnant. Around 17,000 crore rupees. In index funds, ETFs and fund of funds, the assets under management actually decreased from 1.86 lakh crore rupees to 1.84 lakh crore rupees. So overall, because with the help of the debt funds, we have actually seen the assets under management growing from 23.93 lakh crore rupees to 24.54 lakh crore rupees. So overall, we have seen the trend of going down, the assets under management going down has reversed, and now we are seeing little upside in the assets under management in the month of May 2020. Now, regarding the SIP flows, continuously the SIP flows were increasing. In the month of May 2018, the SIP book was 7,304 crore rupees. Consistently, this particular SIP book was increasing. The SIP contributions were increasing. In the month of March, we have seen the number going towards 8,600 and 8,700 crore rupees per month of SIP. But now, since last 2 months, in April and May, we have seen a downward trend into SIPs. And now, currently, we are seeing the SIP number at 8,123 crore rupees. So we have seen at least 6 to 7% of the SIP cancellations. Though we feel the SIP cancellations could be on a higher side, the new SIP registration could have saved the face of actual fall. So that could be one reason why we are still seeing the SIP book more than 8,100 crore rupees. We'll have to look in coming months if this particular problem of COVID-19 continues. So there will be a lot of uncertainties into the job markets, into the SIP books of the self-employed people, where the income uncertainties are quite high. So we can see this particular number going down. Will not be surprised if this SIP number goes down to 7,000 crore rupees also. So we'll have to look at this number. Though 7,000 crore rupees per month of SIP is also a strong number, there is no doubt that these incremental flows will help these markets to sustain at these levels. This particular flow can take care of the FII outflows also, though in the month of June we are seeing good FII inflows. So that is a positive sign overall. We always say that markets are forward looking. We don't know what exactly these foreign institutional investors are actually discounting from Indian markets. So we'll still see. Now we'll look at some key highlights which happened in the month of May. So as you all know, overall mutual fund industry has shown a 2.6% increase in the assets under management. If you look at the large cap stocks, Hindustan Unilever, Z Entertainment Enterprises Limited, and Tata Motors led the buying list, while Biocon and Torrent Pharmaceuticals led the selling list by top fund houses. It doesn't mean that they have taken out everything from Biocon and Torrent Pharmaceuticals, though they must have seen some good run up in these stocks. That's why some kind of profit booking could have taken place. If you look at the Hindustan Unilever, Z Entertainment, and Tata Motors, a good amount of corrections we have seen from their 52-week highs. So that could be another reason why mutual fund investors or mutual fund managers would have thought these are attractive bets and we should take advantage of these valuations. So that could be one idea. Now in mid-cap space, Shriram Transport Finance Company and Adani Enterprises saw maximum buying. So in Shriram Transport Finance Company, if you look at the correction happened is on the little higher side. The historical price to earnings ratios, average price to earnings ratios are 13 plus. Currently, the stock is trading at 6 price to P ratio. Though uncertainty in the earnings is quite high, the book under moratorium is also quite high. We are going to make a detailed video on Shriram Transport Finance Company also soon. So the fall in the market, though the business fundamentals are strong, so that's why fund managers could have thought this is a good buy and we should go and grab this opportunity. Particularly if we look at the banking sector, especially private banks remains heavy and safe investment bets for the mutual fund houses, like always. Specifically, if we look at the private banks, the retail-oriented private banks like HDFC Bank and Kotak Bank are good and favorite bets of mutual fund managers. From a sectoral perspective, financial sector still led the preferred allocation of investment in the equities, which is more than 30-35%. Due to huge correction, a lot of changes have been made into portfolio holdings in all the mutual funds. SIP contributions, as you all know, have decreased from last 2 months. Heavy sell-offs due to prevailing conditions in the economy wiped off the well generated, and majority mutual funds posted double-digit negative returns. That's all we know. And gold was the only asset class which was able to give good returns. So that one asset class is there. We were having one interaction with Mr. Nilesha, who is the MD of Kotak Mutual Fund. Soon we are going to release this video for our channel subscribers, so you'll get a lot of good insights. So in that particular video, he has mentioned some good points about gold also. So you will definitely like that particular video also once we will release that. Overall, if we look at the geographical allocation of assets under management, the number one position is still held by Mumbai, which is contributing 33.44% of the total assets under management. Number two is Delhi with 14.59%. At third position, Bangalore is there with 5.56% of the allocation. to the total assets under management. Number 4th position is Pune, 4.61% allocation. Number 5 position is Kolkata with 4.23% allocation. At number 6th position is Chennai with 3.49% allocation. Number 7th position is Ahmedabad, 3.33% allocation. Number 8th position is Hyderabad with 1.73% allocation. So overall, this is the geographical distribution allocation in AUM across the country. If we look at the mutual fund rankings for this particular month of May 2020, so ranking has changed a lot since last 1 year. Currently at number 1 position is SBI Mutual Funds. Total quarterly average assets under management, if we look at, are around 3.73 lakh crore rupees. At number 2 position is HDFC Mutual Fund. The quarterly average assets under management are 3.7 lakh crore rupees. ICICI is at number 3rd position, 3.58 lakh crore rupees overall. Last 1 year, SBI has shown a good growth in the assets under management at 31.6%. HDFC has shown a growth of 8.1%, and ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund has shown a growth of 11.5%. Number 4th position is held by Aditya Birla Mutual Fund with 2.47 lakh crore rupees. There is hardly any change in their assets under management over the last 1 year. Nippon India Mutual Fund is at number 5th position with assets under management of 2.05 lakh crore rupees. Actually, they have decreased their assets under management by 12.2%. Kotak Mutual Fund is another mutual fund which has shown a very promising growth of 24% over the last 1 year. 1.86 lakh crore rupees is the total quarterly average assets under management for Kotak Mutual Fund. UTI is at number 7th position with 1.51 lakh crore rupees. They have actually gone down with their assets under management by 5%. Axis Mutual Fund is another winner at the 8th position from 89,768 crore rupees. Their assets under management have grown to 1.38 lakh crore rupees. The assets under management have grown by 54.3%. Now, number 9 position is Franklin Templeton Mutual Fund. They have actually decreased their AUM by 2.1%. Currently, they are at 1.17 lakh crore rupees, though around 25,000 crore rupees of this 1.17 lakh crore rupees is in a way a dormant assets under management where they are not earning anything, and they have told to the SEBI also that they are going to close these 6 schemes still. The matter is still under litigation, so we should not comment more on that front. At number 10th position is the IDFC Mutual Fund. They have grown their assets under management by 49.6% to 1.04 lakh crore rupees. This is a tremendous growth for IDFC Mutual Fund, majorly because of the debt side. DSP, the assets under management have grown by 2.6%. Currently, it is at 80,000 crore rupees. L&T, another mutual fund which is not that focused. That's what we feel currently, because they are trying to sell their, L&T is trying to sell their mutual fund business. Currently, the assets under management is at 71,000 crore rupees. Hardly there is any change over the last 1 year. Tata Mutual Fund, one more fund house which was not able to grow good. Actually, they have degrown by 1.9%. Current assets under management are 53,149 crore rupees. Mirai Mutual Fund. Mirai is one as a mutual fund house which is growing very well. They have grown by 78.6% over the last 1 year, from 24,000 crore rupees to 43,000 crore rupees. This is tremendous growth in current market scenario. At number 15th position, the fund house is Sundaram Mutual Fund with assets under management of 31,000 crore rupees. They have grown by 2.9%. So these are the 15 mutual fund houses, top 15 mutual fund houses as of May 2020. So we hope that, friends, this particular information would be beneficial to you people. We will try and make 2 or 3 videos on this mutual fund report, specifically on equity mutual funds, what they bought, what they sold, kind of thing. If you want to have access to these reports, you can go to mfna.in and subscribe to our mutual fund reviews. Yearly we charge 2,499 rupees. If you use stay home coupon code, you will be able to get 10% discount. If you go for multiple combo products on our website, like stock subscription, mutual fund subscriptions, advisory, or model portfolios, the discount could grow up to 25% also. You can use the coupon code stay home. So we feel this is an informative video for all you people. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel, friends. You can search, number of topics are there on our YouTube channel. We take care of your personal finance topics, mutual funds, stocks, and financial planning, taxation also. So we hope you would have liked this video. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel and stay blessed, stay home. Until next video, keep watching our channel. Jai Hind.